alaikum, respected parents, and my dear and sweet students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and enjoying your online classes. Yes, आप enjoy कर रहे हैं ना आपकी online classes? मज़ा आ रहा है ना आपको टीचर के साथ? This is a new class for you जो online है, ठीक है? तो आपको याद है what did we do yesterday or yesterday work? Did you? Yes, I know you are so intelligent. आपने लर्न किया होगा, आपने अपना होमवर्क टास्क किया होगा और आप मुझे जल्द ही व्हाट्सएप पे फीडबैक देंगे. चलें, tell me about the yesterday work. We read about consonants and vowels. क्या पढ़ा था हमने कल? Consonants और vowels के बारे में. How many consonants are there? 21 consonants. And how many vowels are there? 5 vowels. Superb! I know that you are so intelligent. Today we are discussing about a and an, about articles. Okay? Now open your book. As you know, this is your English book, New Oxford Modern English, Primer B. So please open your book and take out page number 1. Okay students, this is your page number 1. And here we read that how we use a and an with the given pictures. So first, we start our lesson. I will first tell you about a and an family. Now look at here. This is a and this is an. What are they called? They are called articles. What are they? They are articles. We have 2 articles here, a and an. A and an. How many articles we have here? 2 articles, a and an. A and an. We have 2 articles. These are 2 brothers. One brother is A and the other brother is An. As you have also your brother and sister in home, आपके भी बहन भाई होंगे घर में, इसी तरह ये दोनों भी भाई हैं. एक का नाम A है और एक का नाम An है. और ये कौन सी फैमिली से है? ये आर्टिकल फैमिली से है. ये कौन सी फैमिली से है? They are from articles family. They are from article family. ठीक है? और इन दोनों भाइयों के साथ आप अपना वर्क आज enjoy करेंगे. Because with some words we will use an, and with some words we will use an. Okay? Okay, as you know about articles here, so now we are just going to use the articles with these pictures. Okay? Now here is, tell me, what is this? What is the picture? And what is the color of this beautiful picture? Red, green. Come on, tell me, what is this? This is apple. This is one apple. This is one apple. Okay, now tell me from which letter apple starts? Apple starts from letter A. Apple starts from letter A. So tell me, is it vowel or is it consonant? Nice. It is vowel. It is vowel. Because in vowels we have A, E, I, O, U. And here is the apple starts from A. So, with vowels, what did we write? Here, can I write A? No. Can I write an? Yes. Come on, clap for yourself. Yes, we write an apple. We write the article an with an apple, an apple, an apple, an apple. Very good. Now come to second picture. What is this? B-E-double-L. It makes bell. What is this? Bell. Very good. So what is the B? Starting word is B. The starting word is B. So what do you think? What is B? Is it consonant or is it vowel? Yes, it is consonant. So what do you think? What did I write here? What do you think? What do you write here? B is consonant. So with B we write a bell. What did we write? A. Very good. Clap for yourself. You write a with bell. Very good. Now come to picture C. What is this? Wow. Did you see it? क्या आपने इसको कभी देखा है? ये क्या चीज़ है? मुझे तो कोई प्यारी सी cow नजर आ रही है. क्या ये cow है? Yes, this is cow. Cow gives us milk. Cow gives us milk. Okay. The starting letter of cow is C. The starting letter of cow is C. So, tell me about the C. Is it consonant or is it vowel? Come on, students. Answer me. Is it consonant or is it vowel? Very good. This is consonant. Very nice. So, what did you write here? What did you write here? Come on, answer me. Come on. Yes, I know you are so intelligent and you know it. Yes, with consonant, we write A. A cow. A cow. Yes. Now move to the next picture. What is this? Can you tell me what is this in the picture? Yes, this is door. What did we say? Please close the door. Okay? Open the door. ठीक है? दरवाजा. दरवाजा खोल दो. Please दरवाजा बंद कर दो. ठीक है? So what is the starting letter of door? D. What is the starting letter? D. Is it what? Consonant or is it vowel? Yes. Nice. Pretty. This is consonant. And which article we use here? The article we use here is a door. We use here a door. Now move to the next picture. What is this green, 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 green? Did you see what is this? This is frog. What is this? Frog. Yes. And what is the starting letter? The starting letter is F. What is the starting letter? The starting letter is F. Okay. And F is a consonant. What it is? A consonant. So tell me, what did we write here with the consonant? Which one article? A or an? Which one article I will write? A or an? Nice. Yes, very good. Clap for yourself. Yes, we will write a with a frog. Yes, because the F is not a vowel. It is a consonant. What is here? The next picture. The white we eat in the breakfast. सुबह सुबह नाश्ते में हम क्या खाते हैं? अंडा पराठा. So what is this? Egg. Egg. Very good. What's the spelling of egg? E-double-G, egg. E-double-G, egg. And what is the color of egg? White. Very good. Okay, what is the starting letter? The starting letter is E. What is the starting letter? The starting letter is E. Well done. Okay. Think about it. What did we write here with an egg? Which one article? Did I write A? I think we write A here. No. We can't write A here. We write the article an here. Yes, I know, you know it. Yes, we write an here, an egg. An egg. Okay, now, come on, repeat all these with me. First, articles a and an. And how we use articles here? With the beautiful pictures, how we use articles. An apple. An apple. We use an because we have vowel here. The starting letter is vowel. So we use an here. In the second picture, bell, we use a because we have the starting alphabet is consonant. The starting alphabet is consonant, so we use a bell. A bell. Why we use a here? We use a here because the C is the consonant. Now here door. The same. Why we use a here? Because we have the D consonant. Now come to the frog. Why we use A here? Come on, tell me. Why we use? Because the F is the consonant. So we read it a frog. A frog. Here is the first letter vowel with the egg. E-double-G, egg. And the first letter is vowel. So we use an with it. An egg. An egg. Come on, read with me. An apple, a bell, a cow, a door, a frog, an egg. Very good. Now you know about the articles, that how we use articles and in which words we use articles. Very good. Now look at your book. We already read about apple, an apple, a bell, a cow, a door, an egg, a frog. Here is the new picture, gate. What did I write here? G is a consonant. So, we write here a gate. A gate. A gate. Now look at here. What is this? Hut. H-U-T. Hut. H-U-T. Hut. Do you know about hut? Yes, look at the picture. Looking so pretty. And what is the starting letter? H. What is the starting letter? H. So, H is a consonant. So, we read it like a hut. A hut. Wow, look at here. Ice cream. Yes, I know you love ice cream. Ice cream is so delicious. मुझे भी बहुत पसंद है. आपको पसंद है ना? बहुत ज़्यादा, मुझे पता है. वेरी टेस्टी. लेकिन इन दिनों में आपने आइसक्रीम बिल्कुल भी नहीं खानी. क्यों नहीं खानी? क्योंकि आपको पता है ना, गरम गरम चीज़ें खानी है. क्योंकि आइसक्रीम से आपका गला ख़राब होता है और फिर आपको बुखार होता है. सो हम नहीं चाहते कि आप बीमार हो जाएं और आपका गला ख़राब हो जाए और आपको टेम्परेचर हो जाए एंड यू मिस योर ऑनलाइन क्लासेस. ओह, दैट्स व्हाई वी टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ. ओके, व्हाट इज द स्टार्टिंग लेटर? I-C-E-C-R-E-M, cream. Ice cream. And what is the starting letter? Starting letter is I. And what is I? I is a vowel. So, we write and with it. Or we read and with it. And ice cream. And ice cream. Very good, students. You will read it in home again and again. And you will also practice a or an with it. ठीक है, आप घर में ये सब जितना मैंने आपको पढ़ाया है, आप ये घर में अपनी पेरेंट्स के साथ विद योर मॉम और डैड आप पढ़ेंगे, खुद भी पढ़ेंगे, उनके साथ बैठ के भी पढ़ेंगे और आप इसको दोबारा से रिवाइज करेंगे. और आपको पता होना चाहिए कि किसके साथ एन लगाना है, किसके साथ अ लगाना है, कौन सा आर्टिकल यूज करना है. ठीक है, आर्टिकल्स तो यू ऑलरेडी लर्न और आपको याद भी हो गए हैं कि आर्टिकल्स कौन से हैं. ए एंड एन, दे आर आर्टिकल्स. I tell you, they are two brothers, A and N, and they are from the article family. ठीक है, तो आप पढ़ेंगे इसे बार बार, स्पेलिंग्स के साथ पढ़ेंगे और फिर उसके साथ ए और एन को ऐड करेंगे. ठीक है, जिसके साथ एन आता है, जिसके साथ ए आता है, वो आप उसको बनाएंगे, पेरेंट्स को दिखाएंगे और मुझे व्हाट्सएप भी करेंगे. और वॉइस मैसेज आप व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हैं मुझे, और मुझे रीड करके भी वॉइस मैसेज पे आप सुना सकते हैं. ठीक है. नाउ स्टूडेंट, आई विल गिव यू योर होमवर्क टास्क. ओके, टेक अ पेज एंड draw margin line. Look at here, one margin line here and one margin line here. Write day and date, and in middle write homework. Okay, I give you this homework. You will first write these names: apple, A-P-P-L-E, apple. B-E-L-L, bell. The third one is cow, C-O-W, cow. The fourth one is egg, E-G-G, egg. And the fifth one is hut, H-U-T, hut. So, you will use a and an with these words. Okay? You will use a and an with these words. Okay? आप लोगों ने तो पढ़ लिया, आप लोगों को तो पता चल गया कि आर्टिकल्स कौन से हैं और कौन से आर्टिकल्स कौन सी उसके साथ यूज करने हैं. ठीक है, यहाँ पे हमने एप्पल, वी विल राइट एप्पल हियर. सो टेल मी, व्हाट डिड यू राइट हियर? द फर्स्ट वर्ड इज कॉन्सोनेंट. नो, द फर्स्ट लेटर इज vowel. So we'll write an here, an apple. The second letter is bell. The first letter is B. So what did we write here? A bell. Cow. The first letter is C. A cow. Egg. E-G-G, egg. The first letter is vowel. So we write an here, an egg. The fifth one is hut. The first letter is H. So we write a heart. Okay, students? And in the end, we draw marginal line. Look at here, ending line. This is ending line. You draw ending line, and with the help of scale, you draw ending line and margin lines. Okay, you use scale with it. Okay, students. मुझे पता है आपको सब कुछ समझ में आ गया है और आप बहुत इंटेलिजेंट हैं, आप बहुत अच्छे बच्चे हैं। आप अपना ये होमवर्क टास्क भी करेंगे और अपना ये रिवीजन भी घर में करेंगे और मुझे व्हाट्सएप पे आप मुझे मैसेज देंगे कि आपने कौन कौन सा काम किया है और मुझे पिक्चर लेके मैसेज पे सेंड करेंगे। ठीक है? थैंक यू सो मच स्टूडेंट। टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ and take care of your parents. Thank you.